as well.
Perfect. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Good. So, see, related to if we talk about the networking part,
Yeah.
in networking, there are two things. One is
Mm-hmm.
basics of network or networking essentials. So, in networking essentials, you are going to learn
Mm.
about introduction to the networking, types of networks. You are going to learn about the OSI model. What is OSI model? Why it has been designed, and how we are using nowadays. You are also going to understand TCP/IP
Mm-hmm.
protocols. What is meant by TCP/IP protocols? Why we use them into the networks? You are going to understand port numbers. Okay, in your entire internet.
Yeah.
Entire internet is working on two things. One is IP addresses and port numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So what is port numbers? You are going to understand, you are going to learn, and you are going to learn in detail about the IP addresses
Yeah.
and subnetting. Very, very important.
Okay.
Without IP addresses and subnetting, there is no network.
Okay.
And also, you are going to understand what is meant with the MAC addresses. Then you are going to understand the topologies. There are basically, physical and logical topologies, tier 2 and tier 3 topologies,
Mm-hmm.
spine leaf topologies, Cisco
Mm-hmm.
hierarchical topologies. Like that, there are various topologies in organizations we are using nowadays. So you are going to understand them. You
Okay.
are going to understand the WAN technologies. What are the WAN technologies and all we have. So basically, these are the basics, essentials of network.
Mm-hmm.
So if you really wants to build a career in depth in networking side, so along this, you should have a knowledge on CCNA.
Right. CCNA. Yes.
So why this one CCNA means? In CCNA,
Mm.
most of the organization, 90% of the organizations nowadays, we are using Cisco devices.
Yeah.
And we are using Juniper network devices.
Mm-hmm.
So Juniper certifications are also there, but Cisco is the most popular certifications.
Right.
So why we have to learn CCNA? Because CCNA tells us, CCNA guide us, CCNA teaches us whatever the devices Cisco designed and
Mm-hmm.
organizations are using, how we are going to work on them.
Right.
And there are a few iOSs designed by Cisco.
Mm-hmm.
iOS means Internet Working Operating System. Just like
Yeah.
our laptops, we have our OS. Routers and switches also have the OSs. That is called
Yeah.
iOSs.
Okay.
So routers are the devices where we are going to use how to configure the routers, how to configure one router to another router, how they can talk to each other, what are the security parameters, what are the cable connections. So that and all comes under CCNA routers
Mm-hmm.
and switches.
Yeah.
So the most common, most popular certification codes you have to learn to go perfect, to gain more perfect knowledge about the networking concepts. That is your CCNA
Hmm.
200 125 paper.
Right.
So this is
This is
the
globally or in India? Right.
globally recognized certification paper it
Right.
is.
Yeah.
So routers and switches is the basic step one or the entry level kind of codes, and you have to know them. Once you have completed, once you are certified, after that you will be going to get more and more other courses on the networking side. Like you can be the CCNP, that is network professional,
Mm-hmm.
after the basics of routers and switches. So in professional level, what you are going to do, there are two ways are there again.
Yeah.
Switching is different, routers are different. So we are going to divide them into two different parts. But in CCNA, routers and switches, both the combinations will learn. But in
Yeah.
CCNP, we specifically focus on routers or specifically on switches. So on switches, there are in-depth little more concepts you are going to get there. And in routers, you are going to work mainly on BGP protocols, border gateway protocols on CCNP level. So that is because as a service provider, most of the organizations they will use this BGP protocols. So there you are going to get. Okay, you don't want that side. You want the security side. So if you want the security side, once you are certified or you have the knowledge of CCNA, certification is not mandatory. If you know if you know CCNA, then there is a one global recognized certification, CompTIA, that is security plus. Security plus, and the paper is I think 720. Let me show you that. Yeah, CompTIA Security Plus. This is the globally recognized certification, entry-level certification for that security side.
Yeah.
So this is one, and yes, like I said, version 7. Yes, this one, 701. So this is the paper, latest one. You have to be certified in this one. It's better if you are certified in this CompTIA Security Plus 7, latest one.
Right.
Okay. There is one more different path is there apart from Security Plus, and that is that is very popular in India, and that is ethical hacking.
Yeah.
From EC Council. This certification is there from EC Council, that is ethical hacking, CEH, version 10. Yeah, this one, CEH version 13. So this is the certification which give you a good exposure to understand the vulnerabilities, penetration testings, and the attacks and all, preparing the work payloads. Yeah, it's pretty good kind of combination. The course you are going to learn, and you have to learn, and if you are certified, and then it's most popular in India actually. The certification is
right.
But the Security Plus, which I told, there is a global level.
Right. Yeah, I know CompTIA.
Yeah. Apart from that, there is one more advanced level certification after the CompTIA Security Plus. I forgot the name. CSIP, I think. CISSP. So CISSP, this is the advanced level certification. So to reach out this, you have to be certified with CompTIA or ethical hacking, any one of this. Then you can learn the CISSP certification. This is the global level popular certification course as well.
Right.
Okay, so apart from that, there are other various certifications courses are available. Okay, so this is one at the security level, cyber security you are going to learn. There is one more security path after the networking, and that is you are going to work with the firewalls. There are various different firewalls are there, but most popular firewall is Palo Alto. Palo Alto firewall is the most popular one. There is one more 40-gate firewall is there, but Palo Alto network firewalls are most popular, and they have the certifications. So this is also very popular, cybersecurity certification from Palo Alto Networks. Very, very popular. This is one certification, globally recognized, this one.
Right.
And after that, you can also be the AWS, cloud security professional. There is also one different certification from IITB. And like that, there are various different parts are there from the security perspectives. That's a firewall level. And the security level is CompTIA and all. And there is one more from Cisco, CCNA Security. and CCNA cybersecurity. So that is recognized by globally, and it is very popular certifications from Cisco.
Right.
CCNA security and the CCNA cybersecurity. There is also a very popular one. Apart from this is not the only path you can go after the CCNA. After CCNA, there is a one more very popular field is there, and that is monitoring.
Okay.
Monitoring administration. So in monitoring, we have very popular monitoring tools. Like one of is Science Logic monitoring tool.
Yeah.
In Science Logic, we are going to manage various devices, routers, switches, storage devices, backup devices, VMs,
Right.
IBM networks, many things we are going to monitor. Apart from
Yeah.
that, there is one more monitoring tool, very popular, and SolarWinds.
Okay.
This is also a very popular monitoring tool. So we have a bunch of monitoring tools which are going to be helpful for the NAC team, Network Operations Center. So where you are going to be the part of this team, where you can monitor the devices, or you can check the vulnerabilities, you can check the securities, or you are going to check on the firewall. So depend on the availability.
Yeah.
So to reach out this level, first you have to go through with networking and CCNA.
Right. But before that,
most,
I need to go through the basics, isn't it? The most important thing
so that
is
is
I need to go
networking.
through the basics. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
this
that's
is
like
I gave you the path, the starting level to the higher level.
Yes.
And this is the basics.
Mhm.
Apart from this, the basics, you should have to understand the basics of a computer systems, the hardware level part also.
Right.
You have to understand what is meant by the CPU, what is meant by RAM, what is meant by operating system. In operating system, there are various types. We have Windows and Linux are the most popular one.
Yeah.
And you have to know how Windows works and how Linux
How
works.
Linux works. Yeah. Yes.
At least the basic level, the troubleshooting level, you should know. For example,
Yeah.
in Windows, we have one concept called disk partition. Disk MGMT. This is the disk partition.
Right.
So where we are going to do the volume creations and partition. So you should know where to go. So you have to know what is meant by the simple volume. You have to know what is meant by NTFS. Before NTFS, what was there? What is meant by REFS? What is meant by FAT32? What is meant by basic drive? What is meant by MBR format, GPT formats, BIOS? So these and all comes along with the networking in this hardware level concept, basic level concept.
Right. So, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
In Linux, we have a different commands. We are not going to use like this type of GUI. In Linux, we have different commands, dev slash dev type of folder.
Yeah.
So there. So my point is,
right.
If you want to be, you should. I mean, the advanced level courses, whatever you are going to learn, you should have minimum knowledge of computer hardware, operating systems, and networking essentials, at least.
So my question, now that I'm taking the basic networking fundamentals, so does this also cover the operating systems and Windows essentials, or does it have to be?
Yeah, it has to be separate. But in network, we are only going to focus the basics of network. But it's better to take this one as well to build a good understanding.
Can you write it down there? What is that? So that I can just take a screenshot of it.
Yes. Yeah. Computer hardware. And in operating system, you have to learn Windows and Linux.
Yeah, Linux is my second thing. I'll do Linux after I do networks. I want to do networks fundamentals and basics first, and then I will jump into Linux. That's my second.
And this is the networking essentials.
Yeah, networking essentials. So computer hardware, operating systems, Windows and Linux. So Linux, I already have it. Windows, so you're telling me that I need to learn Windows as well.
Yeah, because Windows is just not like just opening,
Right,
clicking on the
understood.
start
Yeah, yeah,
button
yeah.
and press.
It's got its own. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there are many things. Yeah.
Okay. How many are like, so the first that you've described, the things that are going to be covered in this course is going to be networking, OSI models, TCP/IP protocols, port numbers, IP addresses, subnetting, MAC addresses, and topologies. Is this all going to be covered under this basic course that you're going to be telling me?
Right. Yes.
Right. And how long do you think is going to go for?
If
Because the thing is, I am in I looked at, because these like I think she's there as well, like the way because I have a bunch of courses that I want to learn, but the pricing and everything needs to be looked at. So I went on Udemy and had a look at it. They're saying it takes about 18 hours. So I'm not sure how soon can we finish this, and it depends, because it's one-to-one. You will go ahead with what my pace is, isn't it?
correct.
So how many hours do you think is going to be needed to learn all the basics?
So only networking essentials if you're focusing, and per day 1 hour we are taking means
Can we combine
probably
networking essentials with the Windows operating system and that, not Linux? Linux is going to be a separate course, but just the operating systems and network essentials, can that be combined into one course?
Yes, we can do that one. Computer hardware, operating system, and networking essentials. So it's gonna be for per hour session if you're planning, or maybe depend on your intake, we can go with 1.5 hour or 2 hours. So I'm thinking it's gonna be around 25 to 30 sessions.
25 to 30 sessions is about 30 hours or 40 hours,
Correct.
isn't it? Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how many days a week?